Hello and welcome to my channel Learn Maths with Hira. We have started the GCSE Math series and today we will discuss about multiples and factors. So first we will discuss about multiples. So the multiples of a number are just its timetables. So we will write it as a multiples of a number are just the times table or its timetable. So, okay, so whenever we are about or we are asked to find the multiples of any number, we just need to write the times table. For example, let's discuss it with an example. So if we are given that you need to find the first five multiples of 3, first five multiples of 3. So to write the first five multiples of 3, what we need to do is we will find the first five numbers in the times table of 3. So in the times table of 3, the first five numbers are 3, as 3 1 times is 3, and 3 twos are 6, and 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, and 3 fives are 15. So these are your first five multiples of 3. So similarly, if we are asked, example 1, so now we will discuss example 2. Find the first 8 multiples of 13. So again we need to do the same thing. We will find the first 8 multiples in the tables of 3. So first 8 numbers in the table of 13. So in the table of 13, our first number or first multiple is 13, which is 13 times 1. And next we have 13 times 2, that is 26, and then 13 times 3, which gives you 39, and 4 13s will give you 52, and then 5 13s will give you 65, and then 6 13s will give you 78, and 7 13s are 91, and the last one, the eighth multiple of 13, that will be 104. That is when we times 13 by 8. So that's it for the multiples. I hope it's clear. Next are the factors. So the factors of a number. So the factors of a number. So basically, the factors of a number are all the numbers that divide into it. So the factors of a number are all the numbers that divide into it. It means when we divide that number by the factors, we again get the same thing. So let's discuss it with some example. So example, find all the factors of 30. Okay, so we need to find all the factors of 30. So what we are going to do is we'll start off with 1 times the number itself. So 1 times what is 30? So we know that 1 times 30 is 30. So say we are starting from 1. Similarly, we will do 2 times what number is 30. So what we can do is the by the definition of factor, the factor of a number are all the numbers that divide into it. So if we have 30 and then we divide it by 2, we got 15. So it means that 2 times 15 gives you 30. And similarly in the table of 3, we will see 3 times what is 30. So 3 times 10 gives you 30. Again, we do the same thing. 30 divided by 3 gives you 10. So that's how we write 3 times 10 gives you 30. And then in the fourth table, if you see the fourth table, you don't have any number which gives you 30. So it means 4 is not your factor. So we'll just skip that. Next is we will see the 5. So 5 times. So we need to find what is 5 times which number is 30. So you divide 30 divided by 5, which gives you 6. So 5 times 6 also gives you 30. So in this way we can write, okay, when you list all the pairs in the row, that gives you 30 when you multiply them. Then the next one is the numbers that we have, like 1, 2, 3, 5, 15, 10, and 6. All of these numbers are your factors. Now we will arrange these factors in the ascending order. So we will write it as the factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, and 30. Okay, so these are all the factors of 30. Let's discuss another example. So this was example 1. So if we try one more example, that is find all the factors of 24. So we will again do the same thing. We will start with 1. 1 times, we know that 1 times 24 is 24. And then in the table of 2, we will see 2 times. So you divide 24 by 2, which gives you 12. So it means 2 times 12 gives you 24. And similarly, in the 3 tables, so 3 times what is 24? So for that purpose, you divide 24 divided by the 3, and it gives you 8. So it means that 3 times 8 give you 24, and then in the fourth table you have 4 times 6, and 4 times 6 gives you 24. And then 5, in 5 you don't have 24, and in the table of 6 you have 24. That is 6 times 4, which is already written, so it's fine if you don't write it. Okay, so next we will just write all the factors, because these are all the factors that can give us 24. So we will write it as the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. So 6, 8, 12, and 24. So I hope it's clear. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. And let me write some practice questions so that you can practice and check your knowledge. And if you face any problem in solving them, you can also ask me. So question number 1 is, you need to all the find all the factors of 100. And next is, you need to find first 5 multiples of 15. So I hope this lecture is helpful for you. If you like my video and if you understand my explanation, please subscribe to my channel and like my video. I will meet you in the next lecture with the next topic. Thank you.